Hi everyone, Emily Allison here, and this is Emily Everything. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. I am going to teach you a meditation for healing addictions today, a Kundalini Yoga exercise. And before we do that, we always tune into any Kundalini Yoga practice with the chant Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. We do that 3 times and then I'll begin the exercise and we will finish up with a long Saa-Taa-Naa-Maa. But before we go any further, I just wanted to invite you to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will put links to everything you need to know below if you'd like to learn more about the chanting and what everything means. I'll give you a little bit more of a description down below. And so yeah, feel free to ring that little bell so you can be notified when I post further Kundalini Yoga videos. And let's get started now. So rub your hands together. Place your hands at your heart, drop your shoulders, straighten your spine. Inhale and begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Okay, meditation for healing addictions. So we're sitting in easy pose. This is easy pose, cross-legged. And if you do need to modify it for your own comfort, or if you have certain injuries or ailments or things you need to adjust, feel free. You can always sit on your knees like this if it is easier for you. That is okay too. Or if you need to just sit on your side, some people have hip issues. It's totally up to you. But for this exercise, we're going to sit cross-legged like this in easy pose. So the eyes for this position are closed and focused at the brow point. I will probably have my eyes open at certain points throughout the video just to watch the time. But usually we have our eyes closed and focus on the brow point for this meditation. The mantra is a silent meditation that you repeat in your head basically. And the mantra is Saa-Taa-Naa-Maa. So it goes in a rhythm like that. Now the mudra is making a fists with both of your hands and extending the thumbs straight, placing the thumbs on the temples, and find that little groove, the little niche where the thumbs fit. You're just going to press the pads of your thumbs right in that little dent spot. Now you're going to lock the back molars together and keep your lips closed, keeping the teeth pressed together throughout, and alternately squeeze the molars tightly and then release the pressure. So you'll feel a muscle move in rhythm under the thumbs. So just practice that now. Squeeze the molars. Squeeze, release. And you can feel that. You'll feel the muscle right underneath your thumbs. And so you're going to feel it massage the thumbs and apply a firm pressure with the hands as well. So silently vibrate the 5 primal sounds. Saa-Taa-Naa-Maa. And you're gonna silently meditate on those and clench and release on each of those. It'll be Saa-Taa-Naa-Maa, or vice versa, depending on how you're clenching. So this meditation is for 5 to 7 minutes, and with practice can be increased up to 20 minutes and then ultimately to 31 minutes. So for this exercise, we're going to do 5 minutes. Now normally I just do 3, but because the minimum is 5 here, we're going to do the full 5 minutes. And then I will read you the comments in the comment section below after we've finished our 5 minutes. So let's begin. Get your thumbs in that little indentation spot on your temples and clench your back molars so you can feel where those muscles are. Give yourself a nice firm pressure. Drop your shoulders and silently chant to yourself while clenching. Saa-Taa-Naa-Maa. Okay. Inhale and begin. forget to breathe. Saa-Taa-Naa-Maa. Clench, release, clench, release, clench, release, clench, release. Focus on the brow point. Keep your eyes closed. If you notice your shoulders hunching up, drop your shoulders. Keep breathing, keep clenching. Saa-Taa-Naa-Maa. Inhale. And exhale. Release your hands down to your knees. Breathe naturally. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. Keep breathing. And just sit with yourself. Sit with your experience. Let it all filter in. And while you're doing that, I'll read you the comments about meditation for healing addictions. The pressure exerted by the thumbs triggers a rhythmic reflex current into the central brain. This current activates the brain area directly underneath the stem of the pineal gland. It is an imbalance in this area that makes mental and physical addictions seemingly unbreakable. In modern culture, this imbalance is pandemic. If we are not addicted to smoking, eating, drinking, or drugs, then we are addicted subconsciously to acceptance, advancement, rejection, emotional love, etc. All of these lead us to insecure and neurotic behavior patterns. Imbalance in this pineal area upsets the radiance of the pineal gland itself. It is this pulsating radiance that regulates the pituitary gland. Since the pituitary regulates the rest of the glandular system, the entire body and mind go out of balance. This meditation corrects the problem. It is excellent for everyone, but particularly effective for rehabilitation efforts in drug dependence, mental illness, and phobic conditions. And I just thought this would be a perfect meditation for today, just because we're going through so much stuff happening in the world today, and it is easy for us to get caught up in addictive thinking, addictive behaviors, all that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed that today, and now you can do meditation for healing addictions anytime you'd like, or we can do it together again if you rewind and press play. So I thank you so much for joining me today on Emily Everything. I'm Emily Allison, and we will do a little Saa-Taa-Naa-Maa to end and close the circle. Rub your hands together. Place them at your heart, drop your shoulders, straighten your spine, inhale and begin. Sat-Nam. Sat-Nam, everybody. Thank you for joining me. And if you would like to like and subscribe and send a little comment down below if you'd like to interact with me, I always love feedback and love to chat with you. If you would like a Sat-Nam tank top of your own, I will leave a link in the description below, and that helps to support me in my channel. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you again, and ciao for now.